Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting rides on the planet. Today we're stepping inside the futuristic 2026 Kenworth W900 upgraded motorhome, a truck that turns every journey into pure luxury on wheels. From the outside, the W900 makes an unforgettable first impression. Its massive chrome grille, bold LED headlamps, and sleek aerodynamic lines command attention wherever it goes. The extended wheelbase and polished accents give it that perfect mix of rugged trucking DNA and modern elegance, making it look powerful yet sophisticated. Step through the door, and you're welcomed into a bedroom that feels more like a luxury suite than a sleeper cab. A king-size memory foam bed, smart lighting, and noise insulation create a restful sanctuary on the road. Premium leather finishes, clever storage, and large tinted windows add comfort and convenience without sacrificing style. In the kitchen, functionality meets high-end design. A stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, and convection oven allow you to prepare full meals anywhere, while granite-inspired countertops and custom cabinetry give the space a residential feel. This is a motorhome kitchen built for more than just quick snacks. It's built for real living. The bathroom is another highlight. A rainfall glass shower, ceramic toilet, and modern vanity transform daily routines into a spa-like experience. Heated flooring and polished surfaces elevate this space far beyond what you'd expect in a traditional RV or truck conversion. Now let's talk performance, because the W900 doesn't just shine inside. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust PACCAR engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This combination delivers impressive torque, excellent fuel efficiency, and the kind of reliability long-haul travelers depend on. Whether cruising highways or climbing steep grades, the W900 makes it effortless. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome is more than transportation. It's an entirely new way to travel. It blends iconic trucking heritage with futuristic comfort, offering unmatched power and pure luxury in one unstoppable package. For those who refuse to compromise between adventure and relaxation, this is the ultimate dream machine. If you enjoyed this look inside the futuristic Kenworth W900, hit that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest reviews. And tell us in the comments, could you see yourself living life on the road in this rolling palace?